Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Node.js and the video app are installed, and your clip is in a supported codec. This prevents runtime transcoding delays. Next, create a project folder and a minimal config. JSON with glow intensity and blend mode so the app has deterministic defaults. Once that's in place, open a terminal, cd into the folder, and run the app's init command to generate pipeline files. This starts the processing chain immediately, avoiding guesswork later. You now apply the glow. Run the app with your input and config flags, and watch the log for filter passes. This confirms the node pipeline executed. Once a low-res preview is ready, tweak intensity, radius in pixels, and threshold. These control spread and highlights, because small changes yield large visual shifts. Make sure to try different blend modes like screen or overlay and adjust opacity percentages to integrate the glow naturally. This iterative preview loop is where the look is defined. You finish by rendering the final output at full resolution and the original frame rate so temporal quality is preserved. Confirm color profile and gamma to avoid shifts. If you see halo artifacts or blown highlights, reduce radius or raise the threshold, then preview again to save time. If the app crashes or stalls, enable verbose logging, monitor memory usage, and render in segments. These steps isolate issues quickly and let you recover without redoing the entire job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.